Hello, lifestylers, and welcome to my channel, Lifestyle with Latasha. Well, today is finally happening. You're going to get to see us put together this cabinet that you see here that I've been watching for about 8 months. So join us as we are doing our DIY and getting our house into a home. We're so excited. I've got my husband and my son here helping out as we put the cabinet together. Of course, I'm going to link this down below. I purchased this from Home Depot. So if this is the kind of material that you're interested in seeing, definitely hit that like button and let me know that you're interested in what we're going to be doing here on this channel. I really appreciate you stopping by today as you're going to get to see us put together, have to do some DIY, have to do some reconstruction to kind of get it to fit. But we got it to work, and I'm so excited. But you're going to come along on this journey as we put this together and get it ready to kind of finalize everything. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would definitely be excited to have you be a part of the Lifestyler family. And I look forward to hearing your comments about what you think about it once we're done. This is going to be a two-parter, so make sure you stay around and catch the first video and the second one. In the meantime, if you've already subscribed, I want to tell you thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. So what you're seeing here is my husband is having to remove some of the side panels from this cabinet. As I stated before, we had to do a little bit of DIY and customizing to make this fit. So he removed a part that actually was a part of the cabinet and came already connected. And as you can see, there are little nails on the side, so he just flattened them out. The reason we're not concerned about it is because this is going to be up against the wall, and we had to cut off this piece. And so there was a lot of things that we had to do to adjust this cabinet to get them to fit on the sides of our fireplaces. However, I'm so excited because we were able to figure it out. Another thing that you're gonna get to see is that we're gonna lift these cabinets. So I went on Amazon and I ordered the feet that you can change out for furniture because I wanted to lift this cabinet up and make it a little bit taller. As you'll see in the second part of this video, the cabinets, I think they come about 29 inches, but we added the feet to allow it 10 more inches to get above the molding, which was another DIY project. And after we had decided that we were going to do that, we realized we had already taken off the baseboards on one side, and that was a mistake. So we had to put that back. We had to kind of get it all back and repaint it. And so that's just a part of doing some DIY projects sometimes, is that, as you're going through the process and you're trying to figure it out, you might stumble a little bit, but it's quite okay. We were able to get it all rectified, get everything back in order. And so we're just going to keep it moving. But this is where we realized we made the mistake, because we didn't really need to do this with putting the feet onto the cabinet, because it lifted the cabinets above the baseboards. So this was a little faux pas. All right, guys, so this is where we really had to step back and take a laugh at ourselves because my husband was trying everything he could to get those baseboards out and it just was not working. We're kind of glad that it didn't go any further. So here we are, my daughter and I, moving the cabinet into place, and we realized that trying to glue the legs on was not the best option. When we moved them in place, two of them fell off. So this was kind of a funny little situation where we had to kind of laugh at ourselves, and we realized we needed to find a more secure way to secure the legs to the cabinet. So here we went back to Amazon and we ordered these brackets, which allowed us to be able to secure them more to the cabinet. And now we're able to actually get it into place. It took us a couple of days to get the parts in that we needed, and we're going to put it in place. If you like what you're seeing on this video, please hit that like button. Let us know that you like it. And if you are already a part of the Lifestyle family, I want to tell you thank you. We're really excited. This is a journey of us trying to really pull this house together and make it a home, make it fit just exactly what we're needing. So I appreciate you being here. And if this is your first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to let us know that you want to be a part of it. And also hit that notification bell so that you're always aware of what we've got going on here on this channel. So now we're on to see, oh my gosh, was it gonna fit? So this was a part where we were a little bit sketchy trying to figure out how to get it in there, and it took us a little bit of time, but let's see what happens.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love.
Oh my gosh, we did it! We did it! We're so excited because I'm gonna be honest, this side of our fireplace was about at half an inch smaller than the other side. And when I tell you we finally got it in this place, I was so relieved because we had torn this cabinet apart. And at this point, I knew we were not going to be able to return it. So I really needed this cabinet to fit on this space. And I'm so glad we were able to do it. So now you're going to see us get to put the doors on, and we're going to move right along. We're going to have the other cabinet done in part 2. So make sure that you stay tuned.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me.
So just a quick note, I want to mention this laser leveler that my daughter actually got my husband for Christmas. Oh my gosh, it has been such a blessing, and I'm going to link that down below because I'm going to be honest, if you've never used this and you're trying to find the exact spot and make sure that whatever you're mounting is leveled, this is a piece that you definitely want to get. It has been an amazing blessing. As I said, we're going to be having this video done in 2 parts, so make sure you stay tuned for the reveal. And thanks for stopping by Lifestyle with Latasha. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.